Try this one right here.
Huh?
Just pull. Oops. Grab a hold of it and pull it really hard.
Can't pull it really hard.
Do it this way. Oh, you got a good sized carrot. All right, take and grab that one and see what it is. Look at there. You got two, a little one and a big one. Really hard. That's a good sized carrot. Yeah.
Another small one.
Pull a carrot. Look, right here. Come here. Here. Get that. Right here. Pull it. Get it, Natalie. All right, girls. How many did you get?
Bunch.
Look, isn't that a lot? That's a lot for just this small section of my Nana's greenhouse. And now my kale can grow, huh? Isn't that awesome? And I bet y'all still find potatoes. But look, some of them are good size. Nice fingerlings. You gonna eat some for French fries? What about you? French fries. So have you ever eaten fresh English peas?
No, I have not.
Taste test. What you think?
Tastes like regular, kind of.
Sweet
Except
peas?
fresh.
So you could eat them?
Mm-hmm.
Chew it and let's see what you think. Is it sweet? Tastes like grass? What does it taste like? A pea? Chew it? Or are you just rolling around your mouth?
I'm chewing it.
What does it taste like? Could you eat those? Maybe cooked, right?
Yeah, probably.
Taste test.
It's gonna poison me. No, joking.
Fresh English peas. She can't eat fresh stuff. It's poison.
I like it.
Sweet taste. You like English pea salad and stuff?
Oh yeah.
Those are better in a can, right?
Definitely.
She still got her carrot. She ain't gonna let go of that carrot.
Yes. And she's done got her hand dirty again.
See the cow?
I'm just gonna